Alright, let's talk about the J36 Ultra, the handheld console you've probably seen everywhere in 2026. Is it a scam or just overhyped? Let's break it down. First, don't worry, you're not getting completely ripped off. The J36 Ultra is a real device. It'll show up at your door and you can play games on it. But here's where things get murky. The marketing for this thing is wild. You'll see ads bragging about ultra-smooth gameplay and insane specs. But in reality, it's running on a MediaTek MT6592. Yeah, a chip from 2013. That's nowhere near what's promised. The battery? They claim $5,000 mAh, but check the box. It's only $3,000. So, don't expect marathon sessions without scrambling for a charger. When it comes to performance, it handles old-school retro games just fine. But try anything more demanding, like PSP, N64, or Dreamcast, and you'll hit lag, stutters, and even crashes. Those viral videos showing it running flawless 3D games? Don't bet on it. And the software? It's a locked-down version of Android. Forget about remapping buttons or adding your favorite emulator. Customization is a headache, and the game library? Sure, it claims 20,000 plus games, but you'll find duplicates and half-broken files everywhere. Here's the kicker. While you'll see prices from $35 to $80, some sketchy sites jack it up way higher. And if you need customer support? Good luck. Shipping times are slow and returns are a nightmare. So, is the J36 Ultra worth it? Honestly, for most people, no. You'll get better performance and value from something like the R36s. The J36 Ultra isn't a scam in the strictest sense, but the hype is way overblown. Save your cash for a handheld that actually delivers. That's the real story. Don't fall for the flash. Choose a handheld that lives up to its promise.